Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you the most consistent day trading strategy that you can use to trade options that will consistently make you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single day, like it has done for me. The strategy is so consistent and so easy to learn. Anybody can learn this, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced trader just looking for more strategies to use. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. So we're on the SPY chart on the 5-minute interval, which is the best interval for day trading. So all the strategy is marking the pre-market highs and the pre-market lows. So this light blue right here is the post-market. This brownish color is the pre-market. This dark blue color is the open market where trading occurs. So we look at the pre-market. We look for the highs and the lows. Right here, there's a clear high. See that price touched it high and bounced back down. No price goes higher than this high in the pre-market. And of course, we got to mark the lows right here. No price goes below this low. Okay, so now using these lines, we can use these lines for our trading strategy during the day. So right here, as soon as pre-market finishes and the market opens, we see that price goes up and touches our pre-market high line. As we can see, it has rejected that line multiple times. It goes up and wicks back down, goes up, comes back down, goes up, and comes back down. So here is where I would have bought puts, because we see the rejection of this line, and I would have bought puts around here. So you can see price just shoots all the way down. And we don't see price shooting all the way down here, like down here. We see price stop when it hits our pre-market low, this line right here, which is a key level that we drew out. Now, right here is where I would have sold all my puts and consider either buying more puts or buying more calls, because here's a key level. It can either shoot up or shoot down. So as we can see, price rejects it and it goes back up. So this is where I would have bought calls using our money that we've earned in our puts to buy calls. And as we can see, price goes all the way back up. We made a lot of profits, lots of money this day trading puts and calls. So let me show you another example with this strategy. Right here, we see a clear indication of pre-market high. Let's draw this line out. And we have a pre-market low indication line right here. So market opens, price goes up to our pre-market high. Guess what it does? It could either shoot up, where we would buy calls, or reject it, where we would buy puts. And right here, we see it shoot down. So this indicates bearish, indicates buying puts, and wicks down. So here's where I would have bought puts. Guess what? Price shoots all the way down. Doesn't go way below. It stops at our line that we drew out for the pre-market lows. Clear indication. And here's a clear level we would use to trade. Right here, I would have sold all my puts, get my profits, and just look at the chart. Right here, we see that price rejecting this low level, bouncing back up. Here's what about puts. And as we can see, price eventually goes all the way back up, making us good money for our calls. Let's just show you one more example. Here we have pre-market high. And right around here is pre-market low. Now, these lines don't have to be like 100% accurate. You don't have to like pinpoint it. Just around that area where you draw those lines are good enough. So right here, market opens. Guess what it does? It goes and touches our line and it consolidates. We see that price goes up, down, not really showing us or giving us a direction of where the market's going to go. Eventually, price breaks down this line. And right here is where I've entered to buy puts. And it would have made me a lot of money. So right here it goes down and it goes back up. This is just a little retest of that line. Usually when price breaks a line of support or a line of resistance, it'll touch that line or like go back up to that line just for a little retest. And here maybe I would have bought more puts, who knows? But I might have bought puts for the retest. But as we can see, price goes down all the way down, making us lots of money in our puts. As you can see, I hope you guys are following along. This strategy is so simple. Just mark the highs and lows, using these lines to our advantage for our trading day. And I would say 4 out of the 5 days, this strategy works. That is how consistent it is. Now, on a rare occasion where the strategy doesn't work, for example, right here. Right here is probably where I wouldn't trade using this strategy. Because although we have a low, we don't have a high. Because in the pre-market, price just kept going up and up and up. And in the open market, price just kept going up and up and up. There's no clear indication of a high. So this gives us less options to work with, less of a strategy to work with. And it's just really risky to trade on this day. Because right here, we have a resistance line right here, high of highs. Price goes up, back down, showing a high of high. And right here, this clear indication of highs. But right here, price just shoots all the way up with no indication of a high. This day, just don't trade. Don't risk your money. Wait for days like these. Wait for days like these where you can use those levels to trade with and make your money. So this strategy works on literally every single stock. Like this works on, I have the SPY chart open, but it works on every single stock. However, you want to pick the high volume ones. With the low volume stocks, you're not going to consistently make money. And it's also very risky to trade low volume stocks. So let me just show you how the strategy works on every other stock. So, to find high volume stocks that you would want to use a strategy with, you could go to Trading View and where is it? Click on Most Active. It'll bring you all these high volume stocks. For example, Tesla. Everyone knows Tesla. It's a high volume stock. Let's just use Tesla example just to show you that it works on every other stock with high volume. Oh, right here. I think I traded this day right here for Tesla. As we can see, I marked a high of high in the pre-market, low of low in the pre-market. Market opens, price shoots all the way below our low of lows of pre-market. Guess what it does? It does a little retest, and I think I bought puts right around here. Guess what? Price shoots all the way down, making me good money on these puts. So we can see how consistent and how easy this strategy is to use. You can use it on any high volume stocks such as Tesla, Apple, Google, Amazon. You can use it on SPY. And what I would recommend is just practice finding these patterns. Practice finding these highs. Practice finding these patterns in the pre-market, as you know, I've indicated right here. They're easy to find. And once you get comfortable with it, you guys should wake up just a little bit before market opens, just to mark these highs out, mark these lows out, and then look for these levels during your trading, and which would help your decision making, help you just have a clear indication of what to buy calls and when to buy puts. It's so easy, it's so effective, and it will likely make you hundreds and even thousands of dollars every single day. So yeah, I would like to thank you guys for watching, and I hope this strategy helps you make money. And have a good day, guys.